I saw a great video on YouTube. The name of the company, I think it was Wonderworks, Wonder Wheels.
Wood
And it
turn-
shows you how to
Wood
clean, how to
Turner's
clean
Wonders.
Yeah, wood
Wood
turners
Turner's
wonder.
Wonders. Shows you
Ken
how to
Rizzo.
clean that wheel. People think their wheels are worn out. They're not worn out. They need to be cleaned. And it's got a detailed video on how to clean them.
Did,
And I had
did
never
you pick
seen
that
that
up from
video.
my comment? Did you pick that up from my comment that I made about that?
Which comment?
About that guy that was asking about that, and I told him Ken Rizzo's got a video.
Yeah,
on it.
yeah, I did.
Yeah.
Yeah, sure did. I was wondering what made me look for that video,
Right
but
on.
yeah,
Yep.
because I went back and cleaned mine because I used the slick stick, but I
Yeah.
have a tendency to for it to build up a little bit. And so I went back and started doing the cleaning process that he recommended, and it works really well.
Yeah, it does. And it's pretty amazing because, he uses a slick stick and then he shoves a tube of copper pipe on there and just
Yes.
takes off like 2 inches and cleans that soft metal out of the CBN wheel, and it got fine after
Yes.
he's done cleaning it.
I started cleaning it and I ran my hand across it, one little section, and I went, "Oh my!" Because I could feel the wheel again.
Yeah.
Yeah. So
Yep.
man, it was like, this is great.
Would
Yeah, I
y'all put
hadn't
a link
tried
to
to
that
clean-
video on in the
But-
chat?
Do what?
Would y'all somebody put a link to that video in the chat?
There it is.
I'll try to.
There it
Oh,
is.
he's already-
Well,
he's
that's-
already
that's
on it.
good service.
Thanks, Ron.
Wow.
Oh, that's
Appreciate
Ron.
it.
Ron's on the ball, boy.